welcome back to Saxcasts. This is going to be a little tutorial on Merry Christmas Everyone, Shakin' Stevens classic with the saxophone solo in the middle thanks to popular demand. So let's go straight in and demo this for you so you can hear what we're going to be learning. So it goes like this. Okay, so quite speedy, quite fast, but we can learn it slowly and then you can add the speed. Okay, so on tenor saxophone, this is in a little bit of a tricky key, but if you practice in tricky keys are less tricky. So we're in B here, so we're going to be using lots of D sharps with the fingers, lots of G sharps, little fingers, and a couple of palm keys at the top end as well. So we've got D sharp and we've got E as well. Okay, so maybe if you're practicing sort of more of a pentatonic-y sound, so B pentatonic will be B, D sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, and then F sharp, G sharp. Okay, so have a go at that. Get your fingers round, because if you've got your fingers moving, then this will be a little bit easier to learn. Okay, I'm going to break it down into little chunks, so this is the first bit. Ba-do-ba-boo-ba, which is all with your thumb on, all of this. So we've got F sharp, G sharp, B, B. So let's do those first four notes. Ba-do-ba-ba, F sharp, G sharp, B, B. And then what I'm going to do is a little kind of gliss, sort of like a sloppy palm key thing. So we get there by going kind of C sharp, D, D sharp, so we get there kind of in a bit of a blur. Rather than, which is okay, but it's a little bit wooden. Okay, next bit goes like this. So we're going to stay on these palm keys and go D sharp, E, D sharp. So just try that first. D sharp, E, D sharp. Okay, and then we're going to add on and add a C sharp at the end of that. And then add a B at the end of that. And then a G sharp at the end. Okay. Ba ba da ba da da, and then from there you're going to go B, B, G sharp, F sharp, G sharp, B, B, G sharp, F sharp, G sharp. It's like a full stop after the B. B, B, G sharp, F sharp, G sharp. Okay, so all of that chunk. So it's worth maybe rewinding back and just practicing that bit. Ba ba da ba da ba 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 ba. Okay, we're going to get stuck on some Bs on this sort of third chunk. So we're going to go F sharp, G sharp, B, B. And they're kind of like pause Bs. B, 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 like a bell. Dong, dong, dong. So F sharp, G sharp, B, B, B. First five notes of that phrase. Okay, and then we've got a little A sharp, so we're going to use A to there, or if you're that way inclined, you could go A, B to there, but please don't do this one because it's a little bit yucky on the fingers. So you're going to go ba da ba ba ba. I'm personally going to go side key, do do da 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 da, but you could go ba da ba ba do da da. If that's what you prefer, that's okay. So to finish that phrase off, you're going to go A sharp, B, C sharp, B, B, G sharp, F sharp. And the da 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 is quite quick, so you might want to practice just those three notes. So A sharp, B, C sharp. Okay, so all the way from the beginning up to there, we've got this fa. Okay. The next bit is sort of quite similar. We nick the F sharp, G sharp, B, B, B bit. But this time we do 4 Bs. F sharp, G sharp, B, 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 B. Okay. And then adding on, we're going to go, which is quite funky. So we're going to go a little flick to a C sharp, B, G sharp, B. So that's a group of 3 notes. And then G sharp, F sharp, G sharp. So B, G sharp, B, G, F sharp, G sharp. So not quite rhythmically like that, but it would just help for you to understand it. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then pull them together. So that little phrase goes. And then we're on the last home front, guys. We're nearly there. So we're going to scoop up to high E, then down to D sharp. So again, if your high notes need a bit of practice, that's a good way to work up rather than starting straight on the E. So E, D sharp, B, B, G sharp, F sharp. Again, all with your thumb on, we've not let go. And then we're going to do that A sharp, B, C sharp, like we've done earlier. A sharp, B, C sharp, back on the B again. So bang, get 1 free, we've done that bit earlier. So this little bit, last little bit, goes from here. And then our last little bit is just 2 notes. B, G sharp, B, G sharp, B, ba-do, da-do, ba, ba-do, da-do, da. And if you want to, you could do a 4 at the end. Okay, that's the whole thing, guys. So I'll tell you what, let's see if we can just run it a little bit slower from the beginning. So we're going to go, Merry Christmas, everyone, 2, 3. And again, if you want to growl, you want to make it a bit more funky, that's up to you. So wishing you all a really Merry Christmas. Get your teeth stuck in, give it a go, like and subscribe, leave us a comment if you want to do some more kind of breaking down songs like this. And see you guys on the next one. Happy saxing! Bye!